AI is quietly making people insanely wealthy right now. And the crazy part, most people have no idea. They don't see how much money is being made behind the scenes simply because they're not looking. But today that changes. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how you can grab your slice of this new AI economy, even if you have no tech skills, no big audience, and not a lot of money to start. Think about it. If you started YouTube in 2010 or jumped into Bitcoin in 2013 or built an online business in 2015, you'd probably be retired or living life on your own terms right now. Today, AI is that next big wave. The question is, are you going to ride it or watch it pass you by? Let's get into it. So today I'm going to show you 3 simple AI side hustles you can start right now, including one where businesses will happily pay you $500, $1,000, even $5,000 a month. How do I know this? Well, my partner and I launched a business about 6 months ago doing exactly this. And no, you don't need 20 years of tech expertise. It helps, sure, but anyone can start using simple no-code tools. We're going to focus on setting up no-code AI automation systems. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set them up step by step, and I'll even share how you can turn one chatbot into 50 sales with extra effort, why our business is paying so much for AI solutions. Picture running a business where you're slammed daily with questions like, what are your hours? Do you accept walk-ins? How much does it cost? Answering these over and over again wastes time and worse costs businesses customers when they don't respond quickly enough. Now imagine if AI could handle all those questions automatically 24/7, and that's exactly why business owners will happily pay you $500 to $5,000 to set up AI chatbots. And the best part, no coding needed. You don't need to build complex systems. You just need a no-code tool like BotPress or similar platforms like Flowis. And no, this isn't a paid promotion. Setting up chatbots step by step. Go to botpress.com and create a free account. Choose a template FAQ, bots, lead generators, customer service agents. Train the bot using the business's most common questions. Pull these from their website or use the auto scraper tool. Deploy the bot to their website, Facebook Messenger, or WhatsApp. When pitching to businesses, don't just talk about what the bot can do. Show them a working demo. Seeing it in action is what closes the deal. Real-world example. Alibaba uses AI to manage 2 million plus customer interactions daily, saving millions in operational costs. Companies like Intercom have also leveraged AI to handle millions of customer queries. You can build one chatbot for a type of business, like salons, then resell that, set up to dozens of similar businesses with small customizations. AI side hustle 2, selling AI prompt guides. AI is powerful, but it's only as good as the prompts you feed it. Most users don't know how to prompt properly, and that's where you come in. You can create structured, high-quality prompt books for businesses, creators, and even job seekers, and sell them for $17 to $47 each. How to start? Choose a niche: marketing, writing, job hunting, self-improvement. Use ChatGPT to generate 100 advanced prompts tailored to that niche. Organize and polish the prompts. Design a simple professional-looking ebook using Canva. Where to sell: work, Etsy, Gumroad. Your own website, Instagram and Facebook groups. AI side hustle 3, creating SOPs, standard operating procedures. Businesses desperately need better systems, but writing SOPs is boring and time consuming. That's your opportunity. Using AI, you can create professional SOPs for businesses and charge between $500 to $2,000 per project. How to do it: fit in messy businesses, bad websites, bad reviews, chaotic social media. Offer to streamline their operations with clear SOPs. Use ChatGPT to draft SOPs. Example prompt: create an SOP for onboarding new clients for a fitness studio. Customize, simplify, and polish. Deliver in a clean, professional format using Google Docs or Canva. Use Scribe. How to automatically generate SOPs by recording simple workflows with screenshots. Upsell ideas. Offer video tutorials along with SOPs and create SOP maintenance packages $200 per month. Getting clients made easy. Forget cold pitching everyone blindly. Instead, build a mini portfolio, a sample chatbot, a sample prompt book, a sample SEO. Post these online, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook groups, wherever your potential clients hang out. When people see what you've created, they'll come to you. The only question left is, will you be one of them? If you found this video valuable, and smash that like button, hit subscribe for more real-world AI money methods, and drop a comment if you're ready to get started. I'll be reading and replying to everyone. Until next time, let's build your AI empire